pink granola is almost done. Hi Barbie dolls, I'm Azusa Barbie. Today I'm doing pink food cooking. Yay! But unfortunately I'm not camera ready today. So I'm doing some pink food cooking but without showing my face today. So today I made this. Do you know what it is? It's pink granola. I made granola. Isn't it pretty? It looks pink enough, right? But it still looks yummy. I was almost gonna fail today, but I did it. I really did it. The pink granola is here. Please enjoy watching my pink food cooking video today because this is really good. You cannot miss this. Let's start. I was not a huge fan of granola before, but recently I finally started liking them, but I could never find super my favorite one, so I decided to make my own granola with all my favorite things. So I'm having oatmeal. So I tried making granola today but without baking in the oven. I want to try something super easy just with microwave tray. So have microwave safe plate, paper. Okay, good. The reason why I'm not baking in the oven today is because I want to make the color more pink. So I don't want to make into like a brownish color. That's why I kind of want to keep more whitish color, you know. So that's why I don't want to bake, really bake, but just microwave. So spread this and put it in microwave for 1 minute. While I'm waiting, I wanna work on nuts. Today I'm using walnut and cashew. I also have coconut flake, all from Trader Joe's. I know, I love Trader Joe's. It's been 1 minute already. Kinda wanna mix. I just don't wanna burn, you know. So kinda mix them. Spread again. And put in microwave for 1 minute again. And I do this for 4 times total. Okay, the second. I love walnut. Let me have one. I'm hungry. Itadakimasu. Yummy. I did it twice. Okay, third time. And next I wanna have cashew. I wanna crush them. Yeah, these are too big, so let me crush. Okay, one more time. Now the plate is getting hot, so be careful. The last try. And let's crush these. But you don't want to crush too much because you still want to have some texture. You know what I'm saying? So just into tiny pieces. It broke. Maybe it's time. I feel it's really dry. Now I want to microwave these nuts that I just crushed. And now I also want to put some coconut flake. Unsweetened, nothing added. Actually, these are already dry. Huh? Do I still need to microwave? I don't think so. Just put this in microwave. And I think I'm gonna cut the coconut. Now let me cut these. This much, maybe? The same thing again. 1 minute microwave. Mix and put into microwave again. So hard to cut. Am I really cutting? Not really. Okay, like that. Is it enough? Maybe? Yeah, I think so. Oh my gosh, you're not gonna believe this. You know what? My microwave, it just broke. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. But let me keep doing this. Let me mix nuts and oatmeal. Actually, I need some bowl. Here's pink bowl, and I put coconut and nuts and oats, all dried. You know what? We can do with pan. Let me put some oil and adding some honey. I love honey. And let's mix this well. Should I put beef powder now? Maybe. Yeah, let me add a little bit. Just want to see the color. Maybe I should put a tiny bit of food color, huh? Just one drop of. Let's see. Actually, the coconut is getting pinky color by beet powder, I guess. Okay. I wanna cut some dried cranberries. Just cut them into tiny pieces. And also wanna put these freeze-dried raspberries and strawberries. Oh my gosh, they will make the taste really good, I promise. Okay, and again, I wanna crush these. Pretty tiny pieces. Raspberries are easier to crush, easier than strawberries somehow. For just thinking about the color, I could totally only go with raspberries, but strawberries taste good, so I wanna mix them. I don't know, should I do like low heat or medium? Maybe medium. Adding. And just put it here. I love the smell of honey, by the way. And don't let it burn. Actually, it looks cute. It looks pink. Yeah, the coconut flake turned pinker. I think that's good. Now it looks pink. Now turn the heat off. Okay, let it dry. Actually, my microwave is now working, so I can put this into my microwave. Yeah, it looks good pink actually. Can you see it? Yeah, I think it's pink enough. You know, I'm not done yet. Okay, spread it. Woo, I love the smell of honey. It smells so good. Yum. Okay, so let's put it in microwave for 1 minute. Now let it chill. Yeah, let it chill and dry. Looking good. And you know, I'm not done yet. I think it's cooled down enough, I think. So I'm putting this into a bowl. Now I'm putting these dried cranberries and freeze-dried strawberries and raspberries. And let's mix. It looks good. Now I can say it's pink granola. And you think it's done? Nope. Actually, it's not done. And now, put on a paper again or pan would work too. And spread. The color looks cute actually, yeah. So here, what I want to do is put some chocolate. Here it's strawberry chocolate, white chocolate, and crushed freeze-dried strawberries, and food color. And I want to put this pink strawberry chocolate here on the top. It's gonna be really good accent. Today is pretty hot, so I'll put this in fridge a little bit. Let the chocolate cool down. Trust me, it's gonna be super good. Let's keep in fridge a little bit. Look, it's almost getting. It's almost there. It's almost done. Let's check how it is. It's been like 30 minutes, and like that. The chocolate is now hard and looking good. Okay, so now you can break them. So the chocolate part is like coming random. Ta-da! I made pink granola! Pretty! You can put it in any container. I only have this size, right? And you know what? Now it already looks pink, but when you pour some milk, I'm sure it turns really, really pink. Looking good! Looks nice, I think. Okay, pink granola. I made pink granola. Looks so good! Okay, so here I have my cup. Azusa Barbie, don't ask him mug. Okay, I'm pouring some milk. Watch. Oh my god, it already looks pretty. Can you see it? The milk is getting pinker. In the camera, hard to tell, but wow. Let me try it. Let me try some. せーの、いただきます。So good. It's so good. Like not too sweet, but I can still smell honey. It tastes so good. Adding some chocolate is totally working. Really yummy, really good. Literally, it's the best granola. The most tasty granola I've ever tried. Freeze-dried strawberries and raspberries are so yummy. And look, did you notice? The milk is even getting pinker now. So pretty. So cute. Looks so cute. This is so good. You need to try this. This is so good. So now I got pink granola. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you have pink-tastic Barbie day. Bye.